Aliana, look. Someone laid an egg on the ground. Will you come pick it up? Put it in your basket. Gentle, gentle. Good job. Let's go pick up the rest. Let's go over here. All right. Thank you. Uh-oh, they're all full. Okay, let's not pick any up right now. They're all laying. Come on. What's up, ladies? Can I take those? Oh, you broke one? Get out of there. Get out. Go on. Man. Looks like we need more hay in there, maybe. Look, Ollie, one of the birds broke an egg. You see? Look. They broke an egg. So let's put some more hay in their box. All right. Let's see, are there any in there? No. Hi, pretty girl. Here's our broody. Can you put that back, please? Good job. All right, pick up your basket. Let's go get more. Come on. And then we're going to feed them. They're hungry for breakfast. Eating the broken egg. Hello, hello. Is there any open spaces in here? There's some on the bottom. Those are pullets hanging out down there. Let's see if they'll let us in. Pardon me. Can I get in there and get those eggs? You see the eggs down there? Can you get those? Can you get those eggs? Get them right there. They're in the bottom. You can do it, Murray. Out of there. Murray. No dogs in laying boxes. Can you get them? Do you want help? Here, let's pull them out a little further. There you go, look. Can you get those? Put them in your basket. Aliana, can you get those eggs and put them in your basket, please? Hello? Be gentle, gentle, gentle. Good job. Be gentle. Yes. Good job, Aliana. All right. Let's take him into Dada. Let me get the gate.